Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, has revolutionized the way authors and entrepreneurs publish and distribute their work. With millions of books available on the platform, it's no wonder why many aspiring writers are turning to KDP to reach a wider audience and build a successful career. When it comes to finding success on KDP, many authors face a common challenge: standing out in a crowded market. With so many books available, it can be tough to find a unique niche that resonates with readers and sets your book apart from the competition. Even when you do find a niche, it's easy to get stuck in a rut and struggle to maximize your book's potential. Another challenge authors face is the sheer amount of competition on the platform. But despite these challenges, many authors are finding success on KDP by tapping into its hidden gems. These hidden gems can be anything from lesser-known genres and promotional strategies to tools and resources that can help authors succeed. By exploring these hidden gems, authors can gain a competitive edge and achieve their goals on the platform. So what are these hidden gems, and how can authors use them to their advantage? One of the most exciting hidden gems on KDP is the rise of interactive fiction. This genre has been gaining popularity in recent years, and authors who are willing to take the leap and experiment with interactive storytelling can reap big rewards. Another hidden gem is the power of Amazon advertising. By using targeted ads, authors can reach their ideal audience and drive sales and downloads. And finally, KDP's built-in promotional tools, such as Kindle Countdown deals and free book promotions, can help authors boost their visibility and build their audience. But one of the most impactful hidden gems we've discovered is the power of Amazon's free keyword research tool. This tool allows authors to tap into Amazon's vast database of search terms and keywords, giving them a unique insight into what readers are looking for. By using this tool, authors can optimize their book's metadata, including the title, blurb, and keywords, to reach their target audience and drive sales. And when combined with Amazon advertising, the results can be staggering. By using Amazon's free keyword research tool, authors can gain a deep understanding of their target audience and create a book that resonates with them on a deep level. This can lead to more sales, more downloads, and more visibility on the platform. And when combined with other hidden gems, such as interactive fiction and Amazon advertising, the results can be truly transformative. So what's the takeaway from all of this? The key to success on KDP is not just about writing a great book, but about understanding the platform and using its hidden gems to your advantage. By tapping into these gems, authors can gain a competitive edge and achieve their goals on the platform. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.